Hey there, welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. My name is Carrie Mitchell, and today we're going to learn the Chanel dance trend. This is not my choreography, just my interpretation. I will tag the original creator down in the video description. But I have had a lot of requests for this one, so we're going to break down the moves nice and slow, using a lot of repetition and having some fun. Please note that this video is the tutorial only, so you will not find the dance with music in this video, no music. But I do dance it with music in a separate video that's linked down in the video description or up here in this card. So go check out that other video when you're ready to practice this dance with music. All right, let's move. Here we go. We're breaking the moves down into counts of 8, and there are 3 of those total. And please excuse the sound of my voice as I am getting over a cold. Okay, our first 8 count, it's when she says, you're gonna make me freeze. And so you're gonna put your right foot out a little bit in front, and you're gonna put your freeze hands out, and you're gonna freeze. So you're gonna make me freeze, and you hold for like a count or 2, and then she starts singing again, something. You'll hear it. We're gonna do body rolls. So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna let your hands fall down. You're gonna push your shoulders, head, neck, and shoulders are gonna fall back first, and then your rib cage is gonna start to fall, and you're gonna finish down to about your knees. So you're thinking of, here's a long line, and we're pushing back from the upper body, and then the lower body's gonna follow, and then you're gonna reverse that. It's gonna rebound up. So bend your knees, it's gonna push forward through your hips, and then your body's gonna come back forward, your upper body. So everything's falling back, 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 and then it's coming forward, forward, forward. Just like that. You can leave your arms up if you want, but I'm gonna push mine down and then just leave them down there. So I'm gonna make you freeze, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's your first full 8 count, is those 2 body rolls. So all you have to remember is you're pushing back first. So we're pushing our shoulders back, lean away, and then really sit into your legs so that you can rebound back up, and then you're coming back forward. This is not natural. It might feel awkward. That's okay. This may be awkward too, but go in front of a mirror or your selfie camera or whatever and practice seeing how your body looks going forward and back. Or just do whatever you want to do because it's a TikTok dance and it doesn't really matter. It's all for fun, y'all. So we're going to go. I'm going to make you freeze, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know the real counts. It just goes with that part of the music. But let's try it. Here's our first 8 count. 5, or I'll say, I'm going to make you freeze, 2, 3, back, 4, 5, 6, front, 7, 8. Yeah. Practice that, and then we'll move on. You're doing awesome. Remember, it's recorded, so you can pause it, practice whatever you need to, whenever you need to. When you're ready to go on to our second 8 count. So we rolled our body back up. You're gonna jump or step your left foot out to the side, pretty far apart. You're leaning into your left leg more. I'm putting my left hand here. This dance has so much variation. I've seen people do it every which way, so just pick whatever feels best to you. These are just general guidelines. You can put your hand on your face somewhere. You can bite the tip of your finger. The right hand's coming up around your face. The left hand's on your thigh, and you're gonna go 1, and then you're gonna pop your hip, and 2. So it's going up, down. So we're going down, up, down. Just try that. We go. Left, pop, pop. Try it one more time. We go. 1 and 2. You're gonna touch, again, you can kind of do whatever you want here. I'm gonna touch 3 and 4. So I'm touching twice on my chest and once down lower near my hips. 3 and 4. I've seen people do this, 3 and 4, or 3 and 4, or 3 and 4, whatever you want to do. It's 3 of something with your hands. So this was 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And I'm stepping right, left. Try that. 5, 6, step out to your left. We go 1 and 2, then 3 and 4. 5, 6, step out to your left. You got it. 1 and 2, then 3 and 4. You're going to repeat it. So So you go back to your left or jump back down. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Whatever you did the first time, you just do it 2 times in a row. Here we go. 5, 6, step out to your left. We go down, up, down, pat, pat, pat. We go down, up, down, pat, pat, pat. Very nice. From the top. So I'm gonna make you freeze, hold. We roll back. Let's say this is 5, 6, 7, 8. We step out. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. I'll count you in, and by that I'll say, I'm gonna make you freeze. Here we go. I'm gonna make you freeze. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Step out on 1 and 2, pat. 3 and 4, step. 5 and 6, pat. 7 and 8. Great job. You're doing such an awesome job. Let's move on to our third and final 8 count. So we just went pat, pat, pat. You're gonna step to your left, and then right foot's gonna come together. And as I do that, I'm gonna swing my right arm in front, left arm in back. 1, 2. Just try that. So you go left, together, and then you're gonna, again, a lot of variation here. Seen a lot. Do whatever you want. You're gonna touch your head and then your hips, or you're gonna take your arms high and take your arms low in some fashion. In your lower body, you can kind of do this with your knees, and you're just kind of rolling through your upper body. So this was 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if that's really what it is now that I'm doing it. 1, 2, touch, touch. Try it. 5, 6, step, open to your left. We go left, together, head, hips. 5, 6, step, left, together, then head, hips. Then we're gonna go step right together. So now we're going back to the right. Left arm goes in front, right arm goes behind. 5, together, 6. Same thing, just going to the right. 5, 6. This time I'm gonna go 7, 8. If you wanna repeat the same thing you already did, then just repeat it. But this time I'm gonna go right arm up, left arm up. You can stretch them all the way up, put them by your face. It's a tick-tock dance, you can't mess it up. So the right side lead is 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can step left, right with that if you want. If you're moving, you're doing it right. 5, 6, right arm, left arm. Just try that. 1, 2, 3, step right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now out of this, if you want to, you can step out to the left and roll this right arm. Left arm's gonna come down. Right arm's gonna roll around your head. That's on 1, 2, and that's kind of just how you come out of the dance. That's the end. You can finish here, 7, 8, or you can go 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the end. So our final 8 count, we did pat, pat, pat. You're gonna step to the left, 1 together, 2, head and hips, 3, 4, step right, 5 together, 6. Then we go right arm, left arm, and then you can step out of it and roll that arm around your head. Yeah, I'll count you in, ready? Stepping to the left, 5, 6, step to your left. We go left, together, hand, hips, right, together, arm, arm, and then roll out of it. I'll count you in again. 5, 6, step to your left. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Yeah, amazing job. All right, we're gonna go back to the top, nice and slow. Let's talk about it. So it starts with, I'm gonna make you freeze, 2, 3. We roll back, 4, 5, 6. We roll up, 7, 8. You're gonna step to the side. Right hand comes to your face. 1 and 2, pat. 3 and 4, step left again. 5 and 6, 7. Then we step to the left together. We touch your head, then your hips. Then we go right, together, right arm, left arm, and then finish out of it. Yes? I'm gonna count you in, or I'm gonna make you freeze. Here we go. I'm gonna make you freeze, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, step left, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 step left. 5 and 6, 7 and 8 step left. 1, 2, head 3, hips 4 step 5, 6 right arm, 7 left, 8 and 1, 2, 3. Yeah, great job. Let's do it again about that same tempo. So still kind of slow, just working through from here. I'm gonna make you freeze. You got it, I believe in you. I'm gonna make you freeze. 2, 3, back 4, 5, up 6, 7 step left. 1 and 2, pat, 3 and 4, repeat. 5 and 6, pat, 7 and step left. 1, 2, head 3, hips 4, 5, arms up, 7, 8, 1, 2. Yeah, amazing. All right, we're gonna do it one more time here together. It is faster with music, so we're gonna go up a little faster, closer to the tempo of the song. So it'll be 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Yeah, I'm gonna make you freeze 2. Here we go. You ready? You ready? We're gonna freeze. I'm gonna make you freeze 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 step left. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, repeat. 5 and 6, 7 step left. 1, 2, head 3, hips 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Yeah, amazing job. And that was our tutorial, just something short and sweet to get you up and moving and having some fun. Thank you so much for joining me. You did an amazing job. Remember, when you're ready to practice with music, it's in a separate video that's linked down in the video description, so go check that out. If you had fun today and you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, please hit that subscribe button to be notified when new videos are released. Thank you again for joining me. Remember, if you were moving, you were doing it right, it's just a TikTok dance. It's just for fun. You can't mess it up. Even if you did none of those steps that I did, you just got up and moved, or you sat down and watched, or you laid in bed and watched, it's all good. Whatever you did, it was amazing. It's hard being a human. So whatever you're doing it right. Thank you, thank you. Go have an incredible rest of your day. Please be kind to yourself and kind to others. And I hope you'll come back and dance with me again in another tutorial. Bye, y'all.